Hi, I'm Siddhizan, pursuing BBA from Amity University, Gola campus. I'm so thankful to Ashra Foundation for providing me to put my views on the topic how far is corporate world responsible for environmental degradation. Day by day, we've been talking about such topics, and this is something a worth of topic I'm talking about. I don't know, people are taking this issue being so normal, so casual that they don't even bother about. From wasting small things, from degrading our environment with everything, is ultimately been a hazardous problem. Likewise, corporate worlds. Corporates are creating that thing. They have different levels of pollutions problems. Likewise, like water pollutions, air pollutions, noise pollutions, soil pollutions, and many more pollutions, which they've been creating to the environment. And ultimately, the sources are degraded. And one day will come that no resources will be left into the nature, into the environment for which we are living. And one day this will done. So I just want people to understand the importance of environment, to understand, to take major steps, to take the right path to flourish their business. They did not need to harm our environment. They need to just give their best and need to frame such policies for their country, for their corporates, for their stuff, so that things can be resolved at the earlier level. And they should contribute their 100% to the environment. If they are doing that, that is creating a well development program for their corporates and for the entire country and entire nations, entire universe. If things will be on the same path, there will be a high rate of pollution will going to increase in the environment, and this will create a problem for upcoming generations with high hopes. The generations will die if environment will not be with us. So for summing up my topic, cause issues, I want to just say this: whatever corporates are being doing, they should understand the importance of environment. They should understand the resources the environment providing us, and they should understand what is the essential need. If we are giving the best to environment, we are getting best in reward. And so there should be so many programs in your feed. Awareness program should be there. There should be management of proper things for the solution for solving this environmental issues. And this is where I want to conclude my topic. So my conclusion comes up like, I want people to understand the importance. I need corporates to take the right decisions against all the problems coming by them. And I wish whatever they do being useful for the environment, not harming the environment. Because staying in environment, making the environment best will give you success. Thank you.